everyone, it's Wednesday, it's Sarah, and it's time for Sarah's marketing tips. So January has come to a close and it is actually February 2020. Can you believe it? So I've got my February content calendar ready for you. Have you got your strategy all laid out? Have you got all your videos and tips prepared for the month of February? If not, I've got a great month full of items every single day, and I want to point out two of them for you today. So number one is it's Valentine's Day, and whether you love it or you hate it, I know some people don't like to celebrate Valentine's Day. I love it. I think it's a really nice day to just reach out to people and tell them that you care, that you appreciate them, that you value them. So a couple ideas is, why don't you take Valentine's to all of your favorite people? Last year we were actually up down in Olympia, and we were doing our Hill Day, our legislative Hill Day, and it was on Valentine's Day. So I said, heck, I'm gonna make little Valentines for everybody, and I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna hand them out to all of our state reps. And it was a lot of fun and it was super appreciated. I also gave them out to, I made like little candy dishes for all of our loan officers and our support staff in our Bellevue and our Seattle offices, because that's where I'm close to. So there's little things like that that you can do for people that just really show them that you care, and it just goes the extra mile. Number two is President's Day, and I was looking up and I was thinking, gosh, what can we do for President's Day? Well, did you know that George Washington is associated with cherry pies and cherries in general? I love cherries, especially the Rainier cherries that you can get here in Washington State. They are the bomb. So why don't you bake a pie, or buy some store-bought pies, or make some little pie turnovers, or do cherry milkshakes, whatever it is. Do something that's like fun and creative and bring it into your team, or take pies to your top like sales associates, or to your favorite realtor partners, or to your favorite loan officers. Or maybe you've got a really great cherry pie recipe that you've tried and you think it's like beautiful. Assemble all like some of the little ingredients and like package them up something cute and pretty, and take those to people if you're not a baker yourself. But anyway, just two items that we always want to be out in front of people and touching them and being a part of their lives and showing them that we care, and the month of February is a really great month to do it. So again, my content calendar is ready for you. If you want it, let me know. Slide into my DMs, send me an email, shoot me a text, give me a call, and I will send it to you, and I'll make your life a little easier for a month. I still have my January one too. If you don't have it, I can send that out to you, but no problem. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Lost in Tacoma. Swipe up and get my YouTube channel, and make sure to follow me on Facebook as well. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you next Wednesday for Sarah's marketing tips. Bye.